Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Long time ago, I did a video on this Japanese foot massager, which is a piece of plastic with a lot of bumps and you step on it. I still use this almost every day when I brush my teeth because I brush my teeth almost every day. I'm just kidding, I brush my teeth every day. Recently, I was doing some spring cleaning and I found an even bigger one. I don't remember using this, maybe once or twice when I bought this, but I don't even remember when or where I got this. But it says Daiso in the back, so it must have been 100 yen if I got this in Japan, or $1.50 if I got this in the States. So this week, I'm going to give this away to a lucky viewer. You can watch my old video on how to use this, and I'll put the link here and here. But basically, you step on it and your feet will feel great. So if you want this, please leave a comment below that you want this. And if there's more than one person who wants this, I will do a random drawing. I will leave the entry open until noon on Sunday, May 26th, California time, which is the Pacific Standard Time, PST. For a lucky winner, I will ship this to anywhere in the world, even in the South Pole. I will figure out a way. I'm sure the shipping cost will be way more than the cost of this product, but I will do it. And if nobody wants this, I will just donate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.